Okay, so for this video, what we're going to be doing is just showing you how to actually let us into your ecosystem and how to set yourself up such that you can actually start running some ads if you haven't done so already, that is. So what you're going to do is you want to go into Google, type in Business Manager, Facebook preferably, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up your account, right? So you want to go into Create a Business Manager here, and your interface is probably going to, if it decides to load, your interface is probably going to look a little different. So once you do that, you'll want to just create a business account, really simple, straightforward steps. And then once you've done that, you'll basically get into your business settings. And over here is where you can start mucking around and start creating some pages. If you haven't done so already, you want to go over here and hit add. You want to start make a page, you want to add a page or create a new page rather. If you haven't made a page already. If your page is already here, that's fine. You don't need to do anything. Add accounts, same thing. What you want to do is you want to go over here, if you haven't done so already, and create a new ad account if you can do so. And once you've done that, then we can move on to the next stage and we can actually start letting ourselves into your system, or rather you're letting us into your system. So what you want to do this is go over on to people here. Sorry, no, that's partners rather. So you want to go onto partners, for example, and you'll want to add, right? You want to click the add button. Now, what you want to do is to give a partner access to your assets. So you're giving your assets to us. Now, the great thing about this is that if at any time, you don't want to work with us, or you need to pause the ads for a moment, you can remove our access completely. So just to show you an example, I'm going to use one of my other accounts here. So I'm going to put in the business ID. Now I've left that business ID up or below this video. So just find that business ID, paste that in and hit next. And it should come up. So in this case, it'll be my other account. You'll want to go over into the pages section, click on the page that you want us to have access to, and then you'll want us to have the admin access so we can do everything on there. You'll also want to then go over to the add account section. Again, we want us to scroll down and go over to the manage ad account section as well. And additionally, this is really important as well. What you'll want to do is you want to go over to pixels as well. And you want to go to pixels as well. And then you'll want to click on the pixel you want us to manage, right? And then again, you want us to manage the pixel here as well. And then you will want us to, you want to save changes. For some reason, it's not letting me do that at the minute, but hopefully this gives you an idea of everything that you need to do. So once you've done that, congratulations, we are now into your system. And from there, we can actually start running some adverts. Hopefully that makes sense.